Hi, Norm Hall with Alligator Inc. Today we're going to introduce our Quick Connect, which is a link to replace the hard connect on a chipper winch line. If a hardware link is accidentally sucked into a chipper, it could cause costly repairs, whereas if this gets accidentally fed into a chipper, it's going to cause zero damage to the chipper. It comes in two sizes, 5/16, which has a safe working load of 1,500 pounds, and a 3/8, which has a safe working load of 2,000 pounds. This is how it works. There's a small eye at one end. You can work this with gloved hands. Open up the eye, put the ball end through the eye, and then close the eye up. When you load it, it has to be loaded in this configuration, where not this configuration, but that configuration. All right, this is how it works. We're going to open up the eye, go ahead and hook it on our chipper winch line, and then I have two logs ready to go to be winched with the chipper. Hook both those up, and then put the ball through the eye. And close the eye. It's very important that the eye is completely closed before it is loaded. Another option would be to use our HT loops, which would have a much higher braking strength and a much longer wear. So in the long run, it's a good option